Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Solution World. I'm Tassan here. Today I'm going to talk about how to add WhatsApp to our website, and also people can actually link with us through WhatsApp, and also they can share our link in WhatsApp. So first we will just get into plugins, and I'll click on add new. We are going to add a plugin called Click to Chat, which is going to help us to connect our website with WhatsApp. So I'll just type here CLICK click to TO2CHAT chat. Okay, so let's see the search results. So here you can see this is the first one, Click to Chat. Let me show you. So this is the one I'm talking about, Click to Chat. Just click on activate, install, and then click on activate. So I have installed, and now I have clicked on activate. So now I'll just get into installed plugins. Once you get into install plugins, here you can see all the plugins list. Actually you have what is that called, you have installed. So here you can see Click to Chat. I'll just get into settings. So friends, here you can see I'll just explain this list first, and then I'll try to type for myself. So here you have to give your WhatsApp number along with your country code. Like for example, my country is India, so actually I'll write 91. Then you have to write your country, your WhatsApp number. Then if you want to have any message over here, hello, welcome to my site, welcome, so whatever you want you can write. I just written hello. And call to action, how you want to be there, the text actually WhatsApp us. I'll just keep it to WhatsApp us, or you can just click here to contact us, whatever you want you can write. And these are the styles actually, how you want in the desktop and how you want into the mobile. There are a number of styles actually, you can just have a look and actually you can change it. So then position to place, you want it in the bottom or in the right, bottom right you want, or in the top right you want, top left you want, wherever you want you can just fix it. So this is done. And then web WhatsApp. So if people are trying to contact you with their computer, so they need to have a web WhatsApp. So I'll explain you in detail how it works over phone, and actually how to connect your computer with your WhatsApp number, everything. So this is web WhatsApp. On desktop, just put a tick mark, then only people can actually able to view WhatsApp on their desktop and connect with you. And then here if you want to hide on mobile device, if you want to hide on desktop device, you can just put a tick mark over here, but I don't want to hide it. So then if you want to hide on a selected pages, you can do all that. So the next important point comes over here. So here the important point comes, enable features, enable WhatsApp chat features. We want all the chat features, and we want even the group features. I will just put a tick mark over here. Enable share features. I want actually a sharing where people can share my website using their WhatsApp. So actually enable share features. If you want Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel, all that if you want, you can just have a tick mark over there. Now I'm just going to click on save changes. So yes, now the changes are done. So let me open a new tab. Actually I'll open my website. So really it looks like, so here you can see WhatsApp share. You can just share this link of this website to your friends. So this is called WhatsApp share, and this is WhatsApp us. So let me just click on this WhatsApp us. Let me able to connect with spreadinfo.ezara.com. So here in my phone, what I will do is I'll just open. So here friends you can see a QR. So here friends you can see a QR code. I am just going to click on this 3 button here, and I'm going to click on WhatsApp web. So I have clicked on WhatsApp web on my phone. So I just trying to scan my QR code. So let me just scan this. So here you can see start chatting and my new number. This is my number actually. So here I can send my hello to whom that the person. This is the person actually who has created the website, the owner of the website, the number which we gave there in the website. So it's showing me my new number because actually I have saved my number. So it shows like that. So hope you all would have enjoyed the session actually and got it how to work with WhatsApp. And now one more thing, and in here we are able to see WhatsApp share. I'm just going to click on WhatsApp share. So here you can see continue to chat, send the following on WhatsApp. So I'll just click on continue to chat and I'll just use WhatsApp web. So here I have my number. I'm just going to, you can send to the friend list actually, whomsoever is there, you can just send a message to them. For example, I'm sending actually my new number itself, I'm sending a message. So let me just send to this number that actually to have a look on this. So here you can see, check out this awesome page www.spreadinfo.com. So this I have sent. So this is the website which we have shared with our friends. Friends, this is my mobile screen. So let me just type here spreadinfo.eziro.com, my WordPress website. So let me see whether I'm able to find that WhatsApp here, and we are able to share with your friends with using the share us button, and also by clicking on WhatsApp chat we are able to contact with the website. So it's getting open. So friends, here you can see in the top most and here in the down. So here this is something called to share. For example, if you want to share, I'm just going to share this link. So here you can see, check out this awesome page spreadinfo.eziro.com. So I'll just put a click here. So this message will be received by the my friends. So at the same time, so here one more WhatsApp is here. So what I'll do is I'll just click on this so that we can chat with our website owner. So here you can see so the number is displayed over here. Actually I'll try to hide it. So but here you can see hello, you can send just hello message, and whatever you want to send, just you can send it to the website owner. So it has directly taken me to the page actually where I can text. So hope you all would have enjoyed the session. Take care. Bye bye.